you're doing good at home. So, today we are here to revise Phonic Sound A. What we are revising? Phonic Sound A. With the help of a guessing game. So, let me show you some objects and you have to guess it for me. So, the first one is a fruit. It is of red color. It is round in shape and it is very juicy and yummy. Guess what it is? It is an apple. An apple a day keeps doctors away. So, now guess another one. It is black in color. It has 2 antennas on its head and 6 legs also. Guess what it is? Can you guess it? It is an insect what we have done in the last story. Yes, it is an ant. An ant. An ant. Look, ant is taking the apple away. Yes, an apple, an ant. You want to guess another one? So look, it is white in color and it wears by a person who travels in space. So guess what it is? It is an astronaut. An astronaut. It is an astronaut. It travels in space. An astronaut. Look, what astronaut has found? Yes, an alien. So, you want more objects? Now, the last one to guess. It is of green color. It has 4 legs also. It is very scary. It lives both on land as well as on water. It has 2 big eyes. And it has a long snout also. It has a long tail also. Guess what it is? Yes, you're very smart. Yes. What it is? Tell me. It is alligator. It is an alligator. So now I want you to revise the 4 objects what I have shown today. Apple, ant, astronaut, alligator.